In Business Central, it's super important to make sure we understand what are the critical fields on a vendor card. So which apply to a finance department. So let's go in and have a look at Frappicon. We're going to turn around and conclude very quickly. Intercompany partner code. This will determine if they are a partner company, okay, which the transaction will flow from using the Business Central intercompany setup. Next one for us would be our account number. Okay, and so this is the account number, our account number of that vendor. So in their system to make sure that our systems are synchronizing up. Going further down here, I'm going to look for the currency code. Super important. Okay. If we're dealing in multi-currencies and we're dealing offshore, we really need to make sure that we're getting the currency code set here. Under related vendor, we want to be thinking about the bank account of the vendor so we can pay them. So you should add a bank account with their banking details so we can turn around and run the payment straight through the system. Under payments, we've got a prepayment percentage field, which is super important if we have to pay them in advance. How much do we need to pay them in advance? References for lodgement documents, if we require to always put a reference on their remittance, we want to make sure that we have that. Payment method code will turn around and tell us how we pay them. So whether we pay them off a check or via EFT or via cash, it's super important. The location code, again, pretty important. And that sums up what we would be using as the required fields for a finance department.